Hi friends, welcome back on our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Moseley's law. Now, Moseley's law. So what is Moseley law? According to it, the frequency of a spectral line in X-ray spectrum varies as the square of the atomic number of the element emitting it. If Z is the atomic number which emit X-rays and nu is the frequency of a spectral line in X-ray spectrum, then according to Moseley's law, nu is directly proportional to Z square. Now, on taking a square root on either side, we get root nu is directly proportional to Z. Here Z is the atomic number of the element emitting X-ray and nu is the frequency of a spectral line in X-ray spectrum. Now, if we draw a graph between atomic number Z and the square root of frequency, then the curve will be a straight line. This line is for K alpha line and this spectral line is for K beta lines. So here we are showing the alpha and beta lines of K series. So according to Moseley's law, root nu is directly proportional to Z. Now, if we eliminate the proportionality sign, then we get constant of proportionality. So, root nu is equal to A into Z minus B. Here B is the characteristic constant or screening constant, whereas Z minus B is the effective atomic number of emitting element. So, the effective atomic number of emitting element is here Z minus B. B represents the characteristic constant or screening constant. Now, importance of Moseley's law. The characteristic property of an element depends on their atomic number, not on their mass. So, the characteristic property of every element does not depend on their mass, it just depends on its atomic number. So, by using this property, the position of some elements in periodic table was rearranged, which were already discovered, and some new elements of periodic table was discovered by using this property, and these elements are hafnium 72, indium 61, rhenium 75, etc. So here we end our session. In the current session, we have just discussed about the Moseley's law and its importance. So goodbye.